Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option that allows you to define the default conversion factor, CF, for quantity in the sale bill. Let's get started. Head to the sales voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Here, you'll find the option Default CF for Quantity, which includes several available parameters. Let's explore all these parameters one by one. Let's begin with the first parameter, which is Default. Let's have a glimpse of its functionality during billing. Before moving to billing, go to the Setup items. Select the item you are going to transact in the sale bill. As you can see, the conversion factors for this item have already been defined. Sale CF lets you set the default conversion factor level for billing. Let's select the second level as default. That means during the transaction, the software will automatically pick the quantity based on the second level of conversion, which is a strip containing 10 tablets. Let's save the changes and proceed to the billing screen. To verify which conversion factor is being applied, simply press F5 on the packs column. As observed, the system accurately selects the second level of conversion, a strip containing 10 tablets, which has been set as the default in the item master. Moving on to the second parameter, Default CF for Quantity as per unit, and observe its performance during billing. Now, when you check the unit per pack column in the bill, it shows 1 unit. Define the number of units, which, in this case, is 5 tablets. The rate will automatically be divided based on these 5 tablets. Now, let's look at another option from the list. This time, we'll choose item CF1, which is defined in the item master. While entering the item in the bill, you can press F5 on the packs column to check which conversion is being picked. In this case, the conversion defined in the master under item CF1 is 1 case is equal to 10 strips, and the total tablets per case are 100. Moving on, let's now choose item CF2 and create a new sale voucher. When you check the packs column and press F5, you'll see that the default conversion factor selected is strips, as defined under item CF2 in the item master. The units per pack now displays 10 units, which means 1 strip is equal to 10 tablets. Similarly, if a third CF is also defined, it will work in the same way.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.